How to turn off Safe Search mode on Google when locked. In this video, we'll discuss how you can actually disable the Safe Search mode on your Google so you can browse freely. To do that, first head over to your Google by going to google.com. Let's search in here for that. And then from in there, you'll be redirected into this part right here. Just wait for this to load. And in here, we can see the default page of Google. Now, it should be able to show you right here the Safe Search, typically on the top right corner. But if it's not available there, you can just proceed to the settings by clicking on the settings option. And in here, you can see this search settings. Click on this right here. You can see search history, and in here we have the Safe Search. As you can see, it's blurring it. So let's click on this right here. And then you can see this. Make sure to click on this off option in order to show all relevant results, even if they're explicit. With this, we have now turned off the Safe Search mode. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.